Hey you guys, what up, what up, what up? It is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, we're going to be getting into the brand new LA Color Mainstage palette as well as the V.i.p palette. Yes, these babies right here. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm a huge fan of the LA Color shadows that come in these palettes. We're also going to get into the Revlon Rose Glow Mist. So if you are curious to see how these babies perform, then girl, grab a drink, a snack, maybe a smoothie, and just keep watching. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna waste any time. First things first, we're gonna go on and jump in with some swatches. I will tell you guys, I picked these up at my Ulta for, I think it was $11.99. They were on sale. I'm not sure if they are still on sale. If they are and I can find them at that price, definitely check the description box. I will put everything down there. Also, I am using a full face of super affordable products. Plus, find out which foundation is the bomb.com for $8. I'm going to go ahead and jump off with swatches of V.i.p. Guys, it is really hard for me to hold this up because the Ulta that ships in my area is terrible. And these came completely broken again. So I don't want the shades that are broken to fall out. So I think the best thing to do is go on and throw a picture of the V.i.p palette here. I'm going to try to show you Mainstage as well, but we're probably going to have to throw a picture up in just a second. So here is V.i.p. Thankfully, the shades that broke on this one are up top. So it's not as bad, but the lights are making it very hard for you guys to see that. But we are going to do a look a piece. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. I'm not going to swatch every shade because that'll have us here forever. But I'm going to swatch them right here. This one's from the Mainstage palette. So I'm not going to swatch the broken shade because it's very soft and I've tried to press it back in there, so I'm hoping that it will stay pressed. So there's one of the shades. We're doing V.i.p right now. That's a matte. If you guys can see that, it's a yellow shade. Now, these don't have names on them in case you're not familiar with these. They're just big palettes with tons of pigment. They're super affordable. Can't find my, there we go, woohoo. So I do see some repeat shades in here of palettes that I actually already own, like this orange shade right here. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at these palettes. If you have some of the other ones that are more berry toned, you probably don't want to pick up a repeat. So like this pink shade here, I also have in another palette. This one as well. It's a repeat shade. So these are very soft and very creamy. This one I don't have. That is beautiful. I think I found our lid shade. Alright guys, I'm going to clean this arm off, and when I come back, we're going to swatch Mainstage. Gosh, it's so hard to show these to you. Isn't that beautiful though? Look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. Here is V.i.p. Alright you guys, so we are primed. We got some eyebrows on. I just want to say, if you hear a little bit of snoring, Bubba is over here and he is sawing logs to the gods, y'all, because he must be turd. So just FYI, that's what it is. I'm going to go ahead and kick it off. Again, we're doing Mainstage first. I think I already said that. I'm going to do a purple look, and I'm going to try to do my best. Just keep in mind, guys, I'm not a makeup artist, just a girl who loves makeup. I think I'm going to start off with this really pretty purple shade right here. I'm staying in this quad right here. So off the jump, these are really pigmented. It's just I went in with a fluffy brush. We're going to go in with a smaller one. I'm going to pat, 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 pat. Just add a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to add in this shade right here. Oh my goodness. That's a little scurry. Y'all wish me luck. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. It's a really beautiful shade. I just might be using the wrong brush or something, but I guess I was expecting it to be a little bit darker. Very beautiful though. No big deal, I just built it up. For the price, I'm definitely not gonna knock that. So I'm just gonna go back into this lighter purple again and just kind of try to blend this out, but I need a smaller brush. That's one thing that I'm still learning, is using the proper brush to do the proper things up here with like blending and things like that. So it's a learning process, that's for sure. You guys, Nick is cooking his famous homemade pasta sauce and it smells like an Italian restaurant up in this joint. It smells so good. And what I love is that it's so much healthier than the ones that come in the jar. You guys know we're on a weight loss journey. Okay, I'm just gonna buff that out a little bit with this larger brush. I don't know where my color switch went. Oh, there's one. I'm gonna go in with this brush into that darker color and see if I can. By the time I get done, I'm gonna look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show. I ain't mad at it so far. Alright y'all, so now I'm going into the two colors right here. Oops, not the broken ones, this one and this one. Really quickly, if you guys are enjoying today's video, please smash that like button before you go. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thanks guys. Now I will tell you guys with these, you do not, I repeat, you do not need to wet your brush. These are so pigmented. Hi. It's like a glassy look, so pretty. Ooh, you guys, this one has iridescence in it too. Oh my goodness. So gorge. It's like, I don't know. Here, I'll show it to you guys real quick. I want to build it up a little bit though, like you would on your eye, because this has like a shift to it too. It's a pink, but it's got like blues and purples and I don't know. It's really pretty. We're going into the purple. Okay, so for me, this is pretty different, but stay tuned when I come back. I'm going to show you the full look with this Mainstage palette, and then we're going to dip into V.i.p. Alright, you guys, so we're done with the eyes for now, except for mascara, of course. I didn't forget. However, we're going to go in with the Revlon Photoready Rose Glow Mist. This is a prep, hydrate, and refresh mist, so like a 3-in-1. You get 1.2 full ounces, and it does have a superfruit complex. So, y'all know I love a good glow, and I love a good glow mist. Let's see if she does the trick. Alright guys, so the makeup is, or the makeup mist rather, is drying down. I have decided against putting mascara on with this look because I'm getting ready to go into the V.i.p palette. So far, I will have to let you guys know at the end of the video what I think of the Mainstage palette. Hope you guys enjoyed the look. I know it's not my best work, but I don't know. I guess I wasn't feeling those colors today. Anywho, so let's jump on into the V.i.p palette and we'll get to talking about what I really think of these palettes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so for the V.i.p palette, all I did was wipe my eyes off. I think we're going to go into more of like an orangey, kind of peachy vibe look. So come on in. Come on. I don't bite unless you ask. And I'm going to start off with this peachy shade right here. Ooh, she got pigment. I gotta be real, I was not expecting that to be that pigmented, but hey, it is what it is. I'm just going into the light kind of color. It's kind of like a set your shade, set your concealer or eye primer color. See, that kind of color, like a bone shade. Okay. So now, I'm gonna go into this pretty kind of deep orange. Ooh-wee. That is pretty. Just taking this brush with nothing on it. And if y'all can't tell, I over contour the hell out of my nose. I'm gonna go in with my finger to this shade right here. It's beautiful, so pretty. Oh my, do y'all see? Oh, ooh. So gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with a brush and just finish the inner corner portion. Y'all, we gotta add a little something to that. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmery yellow, and then I'm also gonna take some of this brown on the outer V. Ooh, we could go crazy and put that on the outer V. There's the yellow. Still pretty. I'm gonna try a different brush on this brown. I feel like I'm really having to build it up. Taking a clean brush back into that dark orange shade. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I have a lot to say. Alright you guys, so this is the final look using my LA Girl Desert Dream V.i.p palette. So, first things first, I just want to talk to you guys really quickly about the Revlon Mist. It's fabulous. It's very similar to the Maybelline Glass Spray, but this was a little bit more, and the Maybelline Glass Spray, which I don't have up here, that's odd. Oh yes I do. It's right here. So this is 3.4 ounces for $9.99 Target Walmart. This is 1.2 ounces, you guys. This was like $11.99. So I would definitely opt for this, even the Maybelline Glass Spray, even though this is really good too. Just saving you some coin where I can. So the palettes, honestly guys, I think the Mainstage one is pretty amazing. I loved the pastels in it. And it's just a lot of fun to play with. Now, honestly, if you're not looking to step out of your comfort zone or play with some color, I would say pass on this one. Again, it's very beautiful. There's some very beautiful shades, and the formula in here is already what we love from these type of palettes. So really, really beautiful though. But again, if you're not looking for color or to step out of your comfort zone, I would just pass on this one. The V.i.p, I really enjoyed this one. I'm going to put a picture here of the one. I think that this has a lot of similar shades. I think probably the first one that they did, as well as the one that I just showed you. You know what? Let's put them both up. So here's the first one that they did. And then you guys already saw the one that I feel like this mimics. I think it has a little bit of both. Now, I think there are a couple of shades in here that are different, mainly the yellows. But the other ones, guys, I feel like we already have. So I would probably pass on this one too, unless, you know, you're new to these palettes and you're wanting these color stories. I think the formula is amazing. I hope that LA Girl continues to put out amazing formula like this, because I have loved every single one that I've tried. I think that they're beautiful. I will give you a tip if you are new to these palettes. Be careful with the shimmers, because they can get really thick fast. So you really want to go in with your finger and just make sure that you blend them really, really well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button as well as that little bell. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads, giveaways. I talk to you guys a lot on the community tab, anything like that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it, guys, and it really, really helps me out. The algorithm is killing us smaller channels, so please, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. If you did not enjoy today's video, it is what it is. Go on and give it a thumbs down. At least let me know either way. That way I know you guys are enjoying the content, and so does YouTube. I want to thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I truly, truly appreciate it that you guys invest so much of your free time into hanging out with me and allowing me to do what I love. I love you guys so, so much, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.